These are the products that I will be starting with. Going in with the Clarified and Soothe Black Soap Shampoo for Maui Moisture. This shampoo helps to soothe scalps and remove excess oil while providing hydration. After rinsing out the shampoo, I'm following up with the conditioner and starting the detangling process. I'm gonna let the conditioner stay on my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes and of course rinse it out. Now for my styler, I'm going in with the Flaxseed Oil and Shea Butter Curl Defining Gel and Cream from African Pride. It's a 3-in-1 curl training system. 1. Defines curl pattern. 2. Molds and holds shape. And 3. Hydrates and adds shine. This 3-in-1 formula blends flaxseed oil and shea butter to provide superior curl definition, hydration, and shine, enhancing coils and curls, natural pattern without flaking. Now I'm just going to sit on my soft bonnet that's connected to my blow dryer for about 10 minutes and then I'll air dry the rest. I'll see you on the next clip with the results. And voila! I'm so mind blown right now. That's just to show you that your curly hair routine does not have to be expensive. Like, you still can get good results with regular drugstore, or like half the price of some of these expensive hair products that we have going on today. I think these products definitely is gonna be in my rotation. Like, I have no complaints. Like, do you see the results of these curls? Like, they're so defined, shiny, moisturized, and like no words. So I would say, so come on. Maui Moisture, these two combined, like, I'm shocked. So what I rate, I'll give this 10 out of 10. Love the smell. My hair did not feel stripped, especially using the shampoo. My hair felt moisturized. With the conditioner, there's slip. It made the detangling process a lot easier. Ah, this is my favorite right here. This is my favorite. I have been wanting to try this for the longest. I seen it in a few TikTok videos. I've seen others review this, and I was like, man, I need to get my hands on it. Okay, so total for all 3 of these products. So I actually got these 2 off of Amazon. I think it was $8.12. They had a coupon, like a little discount that you can apply, and I think it took like $1 off or something each. So I paid pretty much $7 for these, and then of course $5.99. Like, all together, this is $20 that I paid for this routine to get these results. Y'all. Let me know in the comments, should I do a series of this, of trying like budget friendly products? Like, I think I need to. Let me know in the comments. Oh yeah, okay. I love it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can stay up to date of when I upload. Bye.